Top 5 Best Picnic Blankets that will keep you warm all day. The 5 Best Picnic Blankets. A nice afternoon enjoying the fresh air at the park or beach can quickly be ruined when you realize you didn't bring anything to sit on. If you don't want stones and twigs poking you, or dirt and sand getting all over your food and drinks, try one of these picnic blankets, which were designed with dining al fresco in mind and can keep you, your partner, family and friends comfortable outdoors. When users buy our independently chosen editorial selections, we may earn commissions to help fund the reviewed parks. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1 Scuttle's Oversized.
I was looking for a picnic blanket that would be really easy to take anywhere, and I found this one from Scuttles. This is the portable picnic blanket. Not only does it look super classy and beautiful, it's also got a waterproof bottom, it's machine washable, it can be washed in the machine and then laid flat or draped to dry, and it's super easy to use. I love how easy it is to fold out and fold back up. My entire family loves it. It's such a game changer for any outing, festivals, beach trips, picnics, hikes, any trip out in nature. We go to the park almost every other day since we have a toddler, and I just love how this is waterproof and super soft, super comfortable. This portable picnic blanket has completely changed our daily routine, and I love how easy it is to fold back up and store. It is awesome. You guys have to check it out. Buy it now and see it for yourself. You don't want to miss out.
Number 2 Wivigo Beach Blanket. Crazy sale. Number 3 Okupa Dive Blues. Pratico Outdoors Large Picnic. Crazy sale. Number 5 Pop Show's Beach Blanket. Crazy sale.